I put the salt and pepper on the scallops, not in the flour, because you lose it in the flour. Just mix this up. You see I use black pepper because I like the taste of it over the white. But if you don't want to see the pepper in the dish, then you would use white pepper. Into the flour. That takes care of that. The butter is hot and I don't want to shake off the scallops. Because it's lightly dusted, you don't need a lot of flour on it. And the flour is going to help me thicken. This is a pound. This is for 2 people. We like scallops. No banging, people complain. A lot of flour left over, but you know what? It's easier to dust them in flour when there's a lot. Now we're going to be taking the scallops out of there after they get a little, don't have to get color because this is going to be a white sauce. I'm keeping this running so you see how long it takes. Doesn't take long at all, just like shrimps don't take long to cook. And then after about another minute of this, I'm going to put in the onions or shallots. Going to deglaze this first. Let's get a little flambe there. Get rid of that alcohol. That's the brandy and the white wine. Changing up what I'm doing here. I'm going to take this out. Take more out if I use the spatula, but I already have this in my hand. So you got to be fast. You don't want to overcook the scallops. So I'm going to put in there the garlic and the shallots. I mean, yes, the garlic, the shallots. And or onions. Finely minced, so they only take like a minute to cook, and that's enough. Let's add this is half a cup of heavy cream and a half a cup of half and half. Let's get that to a quick boil. Heating up the rest of my dinner in the microwave. The rice and the broccoli's cooking. I'm going to quickly bring this to a little simmer. High flame, very high flame right now. I want to taste that. See if it tastes at all like seafood. Salt. Scallops. Yeah, it's an easy pan to clean, so I'm not worried about what's going on over there in the pan. Now you finish this off with minced sliced scallions, chopped parsley, yes, I hear you, I hear you. I'm going to set up the plate right now. Alright, so it could have been, instead of a half a cup of each, a third of a cup of each. But since it's extra sauce, it'll be used tomorrow, maybe with a little pasta. That's good. Now, about another minute, and we are done. Lower the flame. We don't care about reducing anything because we got the flour off of the scallops, and when you turn them over, the other flour that was on the scallops is helping to thicken this. Now we're going to set up the plate. One second, I have to pull off the I'll just make the plate and we're done. It didn't take long. I'm going to put this around your favorite rice. And we'll take these nice and gently. There you go. That's pretty good. That's like 6 pieces each. I'll put some sauce. I wish I had chopped parsley. I would put it on there. But sorry, I don't. And there you go.